In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop cap in Canva. A drop cap is that large, decorative first letter you often see at the start of a paragraph in magazines or blogs. It adds polish, draws attention, and makes your layout feel more professional. We'll build it in a clean, simple way that gives you full control over the look and spacing, and I'll share tips to keep everything aligned and readable as you work. Start by opening your browser and searching for Canva. This helps you land on the official site quickly, especially if you're not already bookmarked. When the results appear, click the correct Canva link to go to the home page. If you aren't signed in yet, log in with your usual credentials so you can access your designs and fonts. If you're already logged in, you'll go straight to your dashboard and you're ready to work. Open the Canva designer by creating a new design or opening an existing one where you have a paragraph ready. Any document size is fine. The technique is the same, so just choose what fits your project, whether it's a presentation, a social post, or a print layout. Find your paragraph and delete the very first letter. We're going to rebuild that letter as a separate element so it can be large and styled without shifting the rest of your text. Next, press T to add a new text box and type only that one letter you just removed. Keeping it separate is the key to a clean drop cap. Now style the letter. Increase the font size significantly until it visually anchors the start of your paragraph. Choose a distinctive font that complements your body text and consider a color that ties into your brand palette. You can fine-tune letter spacing if needed and adjust line height to keep the letter compact. Aim for strong contrast and legibility so the drop cap is eye-catching but still elegant. Position the letter by dragging it to the top left corner of your paragraph. Use Canva's smart guides to align the baseline and edges so the letter sits neatly alongside the first few lines. If it overlaps oddly, nudge it with your arrow keys for pixel-precise placement. Finally, adjust the main text. Click your paragraph and use the side handles to narrow its width so it wraps to the right of the drop cap. If your layout needs full width below, create a second, wider text box underneath and continue the paragraph there. Review spacing, make any small size tweaks, and you've got a crisp, professional drop cap in Canva.